Okay, now we are going to do the first order differential equation with separable variable. Okay, so look at number 1, question number 1a. Okay, so the question is, okay, number 1a is x squared minus 2 dy dx equals to 2xy. Okay, so you are given dy dx. So when you are asked to find the general solution, that means we are going to find the y. That means this dy dx is the gradient of the curve. You are given the gradient of the curve. We are going to find the y means we are going to find the equation of the curve. So how are we going to do this? Okay, first of all, we separate this variable, the dy and the dx. So we separate like this. X squared minus 2 and then is dy equals to 2xy then dx. That means we bring the dx over here. So now you see the y is on the left hand side, the dx is on the right hand side. So we are going to separate the variable so that all the y we are going to bring it to the left, whereas all the x we are going to bring it to the right. So we do it like this, 1 over y dy, so equals to 2x over x squared minus 2 dx. So after we have moved it like this, you see all the y on the left and all the x on the right. So that's why this is called a separable variable. That means x and y can be separated. Okay, so after we separate them, then we are going to integrate. So this will be y negative 1 dy equals to 2. You bring it up, take it out. So you have x squared minus 2 and then this is dx. Okay, this is negative 1. So negative 1 we are able to integrate. So y negative 1 is ln y. Okay, and then here the right hand side. Okay, and then when you integrate, you must have a constant. Let's say c1. You put it as c1. Why? Because later here integrate we have another constant, so we have to put it as c2 after. So you see, when you want to integrate this negative 1, you will get ln. So what you have to do, you have to differentiate this. That means you have to have 2x here, we add a 2, so we divide by 2. So when I divide by 2, the 2 can be cancelled. So the negative 1 you integrate is ln x squared minus 2, then means plus c2. So you see, when you integrate this side, you have a constant. Here you also have a constant. Constant means it's any number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is a number, this is a number. So what we do next is these two constants, we are going to bring it together. So we are going to bring them together. You have c2 minus c1. You see, when c2 minus c1, you minus a number different, minus with another number, you get another number. So we can call it as c3 or you just call it as c. So that's why you have ln y equals to ln x squared minus 2 plus c. So next time when we integrate, we don't have to write two in constant like this. We just put one constant is enough. Because these two, we will bring it together and then when they minus, you will get another constant. So this is what we are going to do later. So after that, we simplify. So in order to simplify this, since we have all the terms in ln, so this constant also, we can write it in ln. So we can write it as ln a. So that means it's a constant as well. So now we can simplify using the logarithmic rules. Ln y equals to ln, then here you will get a x squared minus 2. So that means we can cancel the ln, then 4 you get y equal to a x squared minus 2. That means you see, this is the equation of the curve. Actually this curve is a parabola. Okay, and depending on the a, whether a is positive or negative, that's why I said this is a general solution. That's why this is a general solution, because the shape of the parabola is still not fixed yet. So it's a general solution. Okay, so this is a general solution because the A we still don't know. If A is positive, we have a minimum parabola. If A is positive, negative, then the parabola is maximum. So the parabola can be like this, or it can be like this. Okay, or the parabola can also be like that. So we have so many. That's why we call it a general solution. So we have so many like that. The parabola can even be like this. That's why this is called a general. This is called a general solution. Okay, so we have so many parabola like this. Okay, so it can be a minimum, can be a maximum parabola. So this is the answer. Okay.